good evening. Tonight's episode is about peas. Don't ask me why. I just looked at a pea pod and thought, what can be said about those? So, peas are a kind of legume. They're a close relative of beans and lentils, but also have some relation to peanuts. The pod is technically a fruit, and the peas inside are its seeds. Obviously, you can still call them vegetables in culinary terms. The plant can survive the winter, so we say it is annual. If you're gonna grow peas, keep in mind that they don't like high heat either. Some pea plants grow low to the ground, others make vines that can climb nearly 2 meters. Pea flowers can be white, pink, or purple. They're sort of butterfly-shaped, and each stem has 2 or 3 of them. Peas usually self-pollinate. The wind will carry pollen between the flowers of one individual. Sometimes, though, insects will feed on the flowers and pollinate them. The leaves of pea plants are compound. They're made up of 3 pairs of leaflets. The fruits are usually green or yellow, but there are some purple ones. Some varieties' pods are edible, but sometimes it's just the seeds. Many peas are the same species, but have been bred into different cultivars. Just like squashes, they're sort of like breeds of peas. The cultivars are often organized into 3 categories: garden peas, sugar peas, and field peas. It is believed that peas originated from the Near East. At first, people only ate the mature seed once they became dry. Kinda like cereal grains, I guess. But in the Middle Ages, rich people started eating young, fresh peas. I guess to them it was very decadent to eat them when they were unripe. Anyway, the practice spread, and over time, many people integrated peas into their cooking. And on a closing note, I'd like to thank peas for their contribution to science. You see, I once mentioned Gregor Mendel's experiments with mice, but those were hardly a thing. The bulk of his studies was about peas. With them, he found out a lot about heredity. Isn't that neat? Anyway, that's all for tonight. Have a good week!